everyone. I'm going to present Arachnid Architects, Biomimicry Ideas in Spiders' Web Building. Spider is one of the scariest predators in the insect world. Their venom-injecting fangs and the pointy claws, and most importantly, their use webs to catch victims are menacing. Spider silk is put to work in dozens of ways, to protect eggs, to create underwater homes, and as hunting tools that came in diversity. Different kinds of spiders can build different webs, but one thing they all have in common is that all spiders can quickly spin perfect webs. Researchers have discovered that spider legs seem to have minds on their own. Each leg functions as a semi-independent computer with sensors that read the immediate environment and trigger movements accordingly. This complex behavior revolves around the idea of morphological computation, which is an important idea for the next generation robots. Morphological computation is the idea of a function being encoded in a body part instead of relying on the brain for instructions. Examples include the human knee-jerk reflex. In other words, there is a shortcut for this kind of movement. In spiders, the autonomy of each leg helps the arachnids quickly spin perfect webs with minimal brain use. According to the research published in the Journal of the Royal Society Interface, the researchers filmed and digitized the movements of several cross spiders, each with partially regenerated half-length legs at certain positions and compared to those with 8 full-length legs. And the spider with regenerated legs could still build perfect webs. If the brain were computing how to compensate for shorter legs, the researchers said they would have seen little but measurable delays in operation. The result has shown that spider legs can think independently to a certain extent, and the regenerated legs do not affect their web weaving activities. A spider's leg receives basic brain commands but adjusts its movements based on local input from sensors, including hairs and slits in the body covering. This allows spiders to free the brain from micromanaging the complex activities of the 8 legs to focus on survival activities. Now I'm going to talk about some ideas inspired by their web building behavior and their webs. The robots inspired by spider legs and the morphological computation idea behind them can be used for the capture and analysis of air pollutants, where the robot would take down the web daily for ingestion and analysis, which is similar to a spider who recycles the web protein while also harvesting tiny insects. Another use is to catch space junk. Some ideas inspired by the use of spider webs are artificial joint ligaments and tendons, also medicinal bandages since spider webs have great biocompatibility. Also, architects have used fibers inspired by spider's web because they are both material efficient and sturdy. I'm sure there's no doubt that we will continue to be inspired by this ancient but smart creature. Thank you.